Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'll be taking you through the process of how to create a Facebook pixel. Now, what do I mean by Facebook pixel? Facebook pixel is an analytics tool that allows you to measure the effectiveness of your advertising by understanding the actions people take on your website. So you can use this pixel to make sure your ad are shown to the right people. Now, to layman language now, let me say Facebook pixel is just like the connection between your Facebook adverts and your website, the intermediary between your Facebook ad and your website. So that is what Facebook pixel means. Now, okay, now you can watch. Please try and watch the previous video on how to create a business manager, how to create a Facebook page. I just go through my Facebook channel, to watch all those videos so that you can have broad knowledge and better understanding. Now, when you get to this aspect on your ad sets, this aspect is an ad set now. So you see where pixel is being written. So click on create a pixel. You click on create a pixel. Now you can see this is my pixel name, which is Larry's More pixel. That is, Larry's More is the name of this ad account. So I'm trying to create a pixel for this particular ad account. So now here you can see enter your website URL. Enter your website URL. Don't mind them they include optional here. No, this thing is compulsory. It's compulsory. Because if you don't include this pixel, your ad won't connect, and it will just keep bringing out errors at the end of your adverts. So enter your website URL. Now this is the website URL now. Okay, your website URL will start with HTTPS, as you can see here. So your website URL is not your landing page. It's just, let's say for example now, let's say www.jumia.com is a website URL. So this is your website URL, not a landing page. So you are putting your website URL here, not the landing page of the product you want to sell. Don't forget. So after that, you click on continue. Then after clicking on continue, now we display this to you. If probably you want to continue what you were doing, that is, you want to continue the advert before without creating the pixel now, or you want to set the pixel up now. Yes, let's set it up now. Now after that, it will display this. Then you click on add code using partner integration. Add code using partner integration. So click on it. Then we're going to select the pixel platform we want to use. We are going to select the pixel platform we want to use. So for the course of this training, I'm going to be working with two platforms, which is WordPress and Shopify. This is WordPress, while this is Shopify. Yeah, I'll try and work on the two together, so that just in case of people that are not using Shopify for their websites, they can make use of the WordPress, while people that are not using WordPress can make use of their Shopify. So let's work with WordPress first. So I'll click on WordPress. Then after clicking on WordPress, now you can see click on plugins. Click on plugins and select add new from the drop down menu. So search and choose Facebook for WordPress. Select install now and select activate. Now what they are trying to explain to us here now is how to install the WordPress. How to install the pixel on the WordPress. Now, so they are asking us now to, like on your WordPress now, just click on on plugins aspects, then search and select add new. You click on add new, which is this add new. Then after that, you search and choose Facebook for WordPress. So you search and choose Facebook for WordPress. Okay, let's do that right now. So this is my WordPress now. So what I just need to do is I'll come down to plugins. Then I'll click on add new. I'll click on add new. Now after clicking on add new, so then I'll search for Facebook for WordPress. Facebook for WordPress. So after searching for the Facebook for WordPress, so we have to wait for it to load here. I have to wait for it to load. You have to wait for it to load. Alright, so this is the Facebook for WordPress plugin. So then we'll click on install now. So we need to wait for it to install so that we'll be able to activate it. So after clicking on install, then we click on activate. And after clicking on activate, so we have to wait for it to activate so that we can connect it with our Facebook. And also now, apart from using this Facebook for WordPress, there are other plugins we can use to install our Pixel. Now we have our Pixel your sites, which is this Pixel your sites. We have Pixel Cafe. Now I have a video on my channel in which I explain this Pixel your sites, and also this Pixel Cafe. So now this Pixel your site is what is being used for your domain. That is, if you want to verify your domain on Facebook, so you want to verify your domain. So this is the function of this particular plugin, which is Pixel your site, which means that you can't verify your domain on Facebook for on Facebook for WordPress, the one we just installed now. You can't verify your domain there. So just go to my channel. I have a video in which I explain broad about this on this Pixel your site. Alright, so let's continue. I think it should have installed by now, or be activated rather. Alright, now you can see Facebook for WordPress that has been activated. Now, so the next thing we need to do after we've activated it is we come here, we click on settings. Then after clicking on settings, we click on Facebook. Here. So after that, let's wait for it to load. Alright, so after that, this is what we show. Then we click on get started. So just make sure you are following this video one after the other so we don't mix things up. Just follow it one after the other. Now this aspect, now you can see facebook.com, so which means that is redirecting us back to Facebook. It's redirecting us back to Facebook accounts we are using to run the advert. So after, now we can see what is displaying to us now. So Facebook is asking if they should continue with this particular name, that is continue as Oluwadoyinsin, now which is the name of the Facebook account I'm using to run adverts now. So just click on continue. Then after that, I'll still click on continue here. You can see WordPress app will be connected to. Now this is my business manager name, this is the other account, and this is Pixel, which I'll click on continue. So I will select this, that is automatic advanced matching. I'll select it, then I'll click on continue here. So now these are the terms and conditions. So you can click on this to read through or to go through what they're trying to explain there. Now after that, now you can see what is WordPress app allowed to do. Now WordPress may not work properly if you turn off this option. So manage your business, that is, this is a business we are working with. or we are working on rather. So just click on next. You can say linking WordPress app to your Facebook. Linking WordPress app to your Facebook. Alright, we are set to go now. We are set to go now. We are good to go. So now the next thing is just to click on done. Click on done. And so now our Facebook has been connected with our WordPress now. So now let's go back to our Facebook pixel. Okay, now you can WordPress is trying to ask us now is Facebook is trying to ask if we trust this website, which is register.name.ng. Now, so I agree to share my token with this site. So we'll click on it, then we'll click on confirm. We'll click on confirm. Alright, so we are done with the activation now. So now let's go back to our Facebook pixel to check if it's active. So now, so we need to send traffic here. That is, we need to include our website URL here. Then we click on send test traffic. So we want to be assured if the Facebook pixel is active. Now, if the pixel is active, we should see it here. This place should change to, this place should change to active. And if not active, then you should go and reset it, or probably if there's an issue on it. So let's just check if it will be active. Alright, so we can see now that this place has changed to active. It has changed to active. So the next thing we need to do is just to click on next. We'll click on next. Then also the website URL, let's retype it here. Let's re-enter it here. Let's re-enter it here. Then click on open website. Alright, so let's click on next. You can see you are connected to this URL. Then we'll click on next. Then after that, we need to send test events. So the same URL you input to set up the Facebook pixel, that is still the same URL you are going to type here. Now, if you read this place now, you can see visit test event to confirm your pixel is running correctly. So you can also add new events using the event setup tools. Now, so what they're just trying to explain to us here is that we should just click on go to test event, just to also to confirm if the pixel is well. So we just input it here, and then let's run down. Then we'll click on open website. We'll click on open website. So after that, let's go back. So now once we see this, then our pixel has been successfully activated on our WordPress. You can see it has been successfully activated on our WordPress. So for the sake of some of us that are not using WordPress, or if you are using Shopify, probably your website's platform is being created or is being used is being managed by Shopify. So what you just need to do is, now you go back to your Facebook pixel. So you copy this code. This is your Facebook pixel code. You copy it, then you log into your Shopify page. That is your Shopify admin page. So then you click on online store. You click on online store. Then after that, then you locate where preferences is. So you click on these preferences, and after that, so this should display on your screen. So after that, you locate where Facebook pixel ID is. Yeah, Facebook pixel ID. So just click on change, and you remove it. You remove this and you paste the new pixel code, and just click on save. You click on save, then So that's the so after you click on save, then you come to this side and you click on set up pixel. But I really don't want to paste any pixel here, just because this particular pixel, the same pixel I'm using, it has been connected to my WordPress. So, and it will give my Facebook or my ads an issue if I should reconnect it on WordPress, sorry, on Shopify also. So just in case you are not using WordPress and you are using Shopify, just make sure that you paste your pixel ID here. Then here you click on set up pixel, just like the same way we set it up on WordPress using Facebook for WordPress. So just click on set up pixel, then you click on this, and so it will redirect you to where you are going to connect your Shopify and Facebook. It will redirect you here. So, and that's the end.